Hi friends, this is Lokesh Borangla. Today we are going to discussing about the filters using the for getting for the list of items in a API. See, these are the list of items which we are going to use for the API to get the list of items. Okay, first one I'm going to use that fields equal to ID. If you enter, then it will display the list of items presented in that particular service. Okay, then if you use name, this call it will display as a name related items. Okay, then if you want to test a negative scenario, you can give the invalid field value. Field is nothing but the it is presented one into the corresponding items. This is called as a field. This is called as a field. They will call as a fields. That field they are developers to filter the entire list of the items presented into the particular one. Next one, a search field. Okay, search syntax is different companies different search fields are presented. Okay, if some companies use a search by, some companies use a search directly. Based upon the developer also, they can make it their own naming functionality. The syntax is nothing but a search equal to a name. Okay, which is the name is presented. If you use search equal to, directly you can make that search, not search by, sorry. Search, now see, it is given the total previous, it is 163, now it is 1 because it is given a particular record of that. We can, based upon the name, we can search the entire field. Okay, and second one is a field filter. Filters are two kinds of filters are presented here. One is based on EQ. Okay, based on like. What, how we are going to use EQ can EQ condition exactly it is like uh, value is matching, then only EQ is valid. If like equal to the value is presented, then we have to use that one. Okay. Basically EQ condition not only the equality condition, it is basically the they are using for the ID matching purpose. Like condition it will use for the naming convention or description or any other fields, but EQ condition basically they are using ID. Like is using name, they are using for the condition is matching with ID, matching with name and descriptions. Okay, now I'm going to use the filter by equal to EQ condition, and here I'm going to match that ID. This is the ID, field is tower, and ID I give that. It gives the list of tower values related to that particular ID. Okay, and if you want to test a negative, then you have to pass some string value or something. You will not get that, it will show in filter value is invalid. Okay, then now we are going to discussing EQ condition. So like condition, now we saw that EQ, then now we are going to like name, name, here name is the field, it is a name of that field value. Now two values are presented, displays the corresponding values. Okay, this is called as a filters. And next one, field is complete, filter is complete, search is completed, and then limit. First is the offset. Offset we can set that how many records it will display, which page, not the limit, which page you want. Page will start the 0 onwards, but we will see in the 1 onwards. If you ask that, it will display the offset value which is related to a 0 page. If you use 1, it will display the 1 related page. If you are using 100, it will display 100 record places. There is no value, that's why you are not able to see the records of that. If you are using 100 and limit equal to 1, because at the time 100 pages one record will present, that one record it will display in that 100th page. Okay, both limit, offset is basically a page, a limit is how many values need to display in that particular page. Finally we have it is 2, then we are going for order by equal to id. If you see order by, there is no value, right? Now we'll choose 25. Two values are displaying. Okay, in these two values I am going to order by id, or you can use the name. And this order by, it will not work when you are using a single. You have to combination is sort by ascending. The value is missing. Sorry. AAC. If you use AAC, it will give the valid data which is related to ascending order presented, descending order presented values. Okay, otherwise it will not give the correct value. This is all about the getting a list of values using filters. Okay, if you want to like this video, please like my video. If you want to give some comments, and pass some comments, and if you have some queries, then give me comments. Then based upon your comments, I will make the changes and I will upload the one more video. Please share the video and subscribe my video. Thank you.